Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. Clouds are a fascinating part of the Earth's atmosphere. They can be so different every time you see them. And they always bring a sense of awe, wonder, and inspiration. They remind us that there is so much beauty in the world and that we should never take it for granted. Macaroons are delicious, colorful, and inspiring cookies. They can be used to celebrate any occasion, and they make people happy. Macaroons inspire people to be creative and have fun. They make people feel happy and loved, and they are perfect for any occasion.